cold.
Ew, ain't this pretty?
Which path do we go? Oh, there's more paths. Just a sit down thing.
Yeah, all right. We follow this way. Oh, look at this. It's actually lit up already. Real good. Can you just tell it, guys?
No, I'm hot.
Look how pretty.
Look at this. It's not even dark yet, and it's pretty. This is so pretty. Just look at it, guys. Just look at it. Won't you look at that? Just look at it. Look at this. Look at that.
Yeah, it's cold. Can you help? My lungs
Nope.
hurt from this cold weather.
You know how I feel, then, don't you? That is cold all the time.
Hurt your lungs too?
Yeah. Yeah, my lungs are so you need to put. Oh my god. Where's the smoke at?
We're so cold inside that you can't see our breath. Well, we didn't have to wait till too dark, did we?
No, but it'd be nicer if it's dark. It'd actually be nicer if it's
It'd be brighter when it's dark, but
It wasn't cold earlier today.
you can't really tell it on here, can you?
Hmm?
You can't really tell it on here, can you?
What?
Okay, I got a question for you guys on YouTube. If anybody lives in Tennessee or somewhere around here, why does it get so cold? It's not like cold earlier, but it's cold now.
It's because we're all getting the same weather, buddy. It's probably colder at the house.
There's no sun
Because
out.
we're north.
More north.
We're more north, but there's no sun out right
But
now,
we're in the
son.
southern part of Kentucky.
So it don't matter. Still further north.
We might be the second most biggest creator in Kentucky.
This is free. This does not cost you anything but travel down this way, and it's free to walk on. Unfortunately, you have to walk. You can't drive your car. Or if you're like me, get on a scooter. But
Put my arm up.
all this is free, guys. If you just want to come down to Pigeon Forge and check it out, it's part of Winter Fest. We're walking through it.
Oh.
We'll yell at Samuel.
Okay, go ahead.
Sam! Stop! You want me to help you video or you got it?
I think I got this. Look at the river, how fast it is here, how swift.
That's why it's so cold.
Get on.
Yeah, that's pretty good too, yeah, while we're at the
Is
river.
it where we're next to a river? That's why it's so cold?
Partially, yeah.
Because
Water.
not really warm.
Look, there's Frosty the snowman and some frosty trees. There's three of them. One's got a shovel, one's got a
The
broom.
real one has a pipe on it.
Now one over here's waving. Look at over here, guys.
There should be a Frosty too.
We got by the river.
Frosty comes back next winter. It sounds like your car.
It does, but it shouldn't be.
I think this is how it works. How the river
Look at
makes
that big
it cold.
part, the fountain.
Okay.
Oh yeah, look up here, guys. This big fountain.
Okay, I wanna tell you
Kind of
something. So, is this how it works? Rivers, like if you're next to a river and it's cold, like 30 degrees,
Look up there's polar
does
bears.
it make it like the coldness off of the water come in the air?
Yeah, sometimes it can be warmer. Just according to what the temperature of the water is. It's probably cold water, so
Well, we're next to a river. Oh,
Yeah.
should you call it a lake or
it's
something?
the river walk. No, it's just the river.
I'm not good with my river, ocean, lake, pond, or anything like that. Okay, rivers are ponds,
You can sit down here for
rivers,
action.
oceans are
Yes, I do.
whatever.
Kind of.
No.
What?
No.
Yeah.
So you can
I
video.
don't know the polar bear is.
This would be pretty to walk in the summertime too, wouldn't it?
Yeah, if it was Christmas.
Well, I mean,
Yeah, just the trail.
guys, if anybody wants to give us a thanks, go ahead and do that if you wish to do so. Anybody want to send me a coat and Kanan one?
Yeah.
I wear a 5X. Kanan wears a XL and men's.
Wait, you wear a 5X? I thought you wear a 4X.
5X and coats.
What's the difference between a 4XL and a 5X?
It's a size bigger.
Okay.
Anybody want to film?
You're doing good.
I do.
Okay. Okay.
No,
No.
I don't. I do.
Yeah, I didn't think so.
I don't want to arm out because of the cold.
Up there's the trolley stop. I should have put some stuff right through here.
Look at the sunshot. Is that what's called there?
I don't know what that's called.
Yeah, the sunshot. Sometime in the spring or summer when we come back here, you know what I want to do? I want to ride the goat carts. That's what I want to do with that.
Hey, what's this?
Poop dog bags.
Oh. Well, that's nice. I got doggy poop bags.
Dog poop. Can we stop
Look
and
at
take
that
a breather?
pretty big tree
No,
right
we're
there.
already taking breathers.
We're breathing right now.
My leg don't go.
Ah.
Chelsea, whenever we get to the
Who you
store,
talking
you
to?
get
Huh?
Huh?
Who you talking to?
I'm talking to nobody.
Oh yeah, I got makeup on
Who
me.
you talking to?
Somebody's dinging you.
I don't know.
I guess that's you, ain't it?
I don't know.
What's your
It's in my
phone?
pocket.
Well, it sounds like
I
you
don't
did.
know if I'm pulling it.
Oh, look at these pretty pine trees. Can you see the little fireflies in them? That's what it looks like anyway, doesn't it? It's actually lights.
I'm a girl, yeah. I'm a boy, no.
Can they see it?
There's
Yeah.
Frosty again.
You can see them. Yeah, there's Frosty.
And her is wild, I guess.
Yeah, that's Frosty's Miss Frosty. And over here's some
That's a girl
Frosty.
Frosty. That's a boy.
Yes, that's Mr. Frosty and Miss Frosty. Frosty.
When did you get her?
Mm-mm.
There's the sun.
Yep.
Oh, the sun. There's little Frosty. Ah.
And our dog Frosty. He's not here though.
Yeah, our dog
Maybe they're
stinks
dogs.
Frost too. There's a
I
light
said
bulb
only
out.
a
I found a
paper.
light bulb out. Of course I would.
Where?
I'm good at stuff like that.
Where?
Back there. Huh?
They're all blink.
No, one of them was out. It didn't blink and nothing. Oh yeah, look at that. How pretty.
It's just the fireflies.
So pretty.
The fireflies.
So pretty.
Getting colder every time we come here. Or it more here.
Yeah, I can't wait to actually walk around and get some blood warmth in my bones.
I'm
Just
about
chill
go
you to
mommy
the
and
bone.
daddy. Oh,
This is bone chilling out here.
We're bones? Oh,
We have bones, yeah. We're nothing but dry bones sometimes, son. Sam!
Sam, get back here. What's going on today?
What's wrong with all three of us today?
Not that I'm
food.
We didn't do this for you. Can't move me, honey, boo-boo.
Oh yeah, here's another big gap in the scenery. They should have got the rest of the trees.
But you're lazy to finish it. Yeah, we are.
Maybe, maybe not.
Maybe they just decided to do that. Or maybe they're not even finished.
Maybe they're not.
Do you see green on a tree? I would think so. They're finished because they moved down that way.
Here, get this, because my hands are going numb.
Wait, you can pop that video. You know I'm horrible at videoing.
Huh?
You know I'm horrible at videoing.
I have to give my hands a rest.
On the floor. And can't find I ain't doing anything. I'm just walking. Well, why not speeding up to Samuel, Dad?
Look over here. Whoops. We got little stars with like the, yeah, no, with the blue stuff at the bottom. And some more on this side. Another trolley bus stop. Yes. You see that guy right there? He got his blowing wind, Frosty. A nice lake or river. Right there, it's Frosty blowing wind. The stars. Here we go. And you hear the water underneath the bridge. Got the trees and the wild. And then there's a bear. Oh, the squirrel. There's some deers. Oh, there's a bird that just flies that way. Look at them slowpokes. Like I said, there's some deer, mommy deer, daddy deer, and baby deer. Some more deer, same. Mommy deer, daddy deer, baby deer. Some more up here too, exact same thing. But different families, you know. Trees. And they decorated the post up there. There's some more. The sound of that water makes you want to use a bathroom on yourself. Think about at the end of it. You never know. We'll find out though. Yeah, they got that decorated. Oh, this is cute. We'll have to get a picture about this. I don't know if it's a worm or what. That's exactly what I thought was a caterpillar. There's way more up here. My mistake, there's way more. Okay, let them catch up here. See how fast I walk compared to them? And just wait.
I am now.
Hey, look, Mom, no hands.
There you are.
Look, no hands.
No hands, Mom. No hands. Whoa. Mom went crazy.
Bye, Sam.
Right there? Or over there?
Huh.
Oh.
Here,
You
fellas.
ready?
Yep, let's roll, Kelsey. Look here. I got them hanging from the.
Oh no. Sam just thinks that's the fun part.
Quit, Sam.
He's playing in dirt.
I know what he's doing. Oh my goodness, look up there.
Don't spoil it yet. Look at the reindeer jumping.
Yeah, look at the reindeer jumping. No, look here what we're getting ready to go through. We're getting ready to go to Winter Wonderland. Is he getting tired?
Me?
Yeah.
No. That should let me rest my hands.
Really? Snowflakes. Guys, we're sorry this is during the daylight, but we have a very important appointment to keep at here later on, and we can't stay real late tonight, so we had to do this right at the edge of dark. We apologize, but I hope you can get some beauty out of what we're seeing. It would be a lot better if it's pitch black out, but guys, look what we're going into. I hope you can see it. It's so cool looking. Look at this.
Oh no.
It's way better in person.
Hey, Mom, I'm in front of you.
But this is so cool looking.
They see anything?
I don't know if it's worth filming or not. Really, I hope it is. It in the person though, it looks like really cool looking. Look at that.
There's way more up there.
Yeah, I know there's way more.
No, I'm not. You are.
This is a mile walk. Yeah, it is. 5:28. Train over there. Ain't it pretty? If you can tell, I like animals. Woo! Okay, let's roll. Okay. Well, guys, the kids got tired, so I'm continuing on up here to film this to see how far it goes. I don't think we got much further to go. It's so cold. Well, I hope you're enjoying this. Oh yeah.
Slow down.
Did you catch up with me?
Slow down, please.
I am slowing down.
Oh, no. You're making a noise.
Howdy. I think this is the end of it anyway, because, oh no, look here, it goes all the way up here.
Where's the dog? Well, give me a break.
Why don't you go back there with your mommy?
No.
Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, look at this. Ain't this pretty?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're here now. No, way back there. Ow, my feet. They're itching.
Oh, this is so nice now. There goes the green. It left.
I'm about to throw up.
So slow down, Tanner. You okay?
So you're not me. You're okay.
No, I didn't make you
Don't
run.
slow down.
And then we're going under a light. Oh, this is cool. I wish it was too in a way, but I'm kind of liking this too, though. I think this is it. Guys, we made it all the way to the end. Well, me and Kanan did.
See, I ain't gonna quit. I'm not a quitter.
And yeah, we did. We made it to the end.
And the stop of it is American flag.
This is it. This is the end of the line, the end of the green walk, river walk.
And right here, it stops right here because there's no river.
Nope, it turns in the road.
And also, it stops at Tennessee flag, American flag, I don't know what flag that is.
Yeah, it stops at this. Wow. Take it off. Don't pick up gloves. Come on. Let's go, buddy.
I feel like I'm in Old Town over here.
So pretty, guys.
Go as slow as you can. That's slow as you can. Yeah, you can go fast enough. I was really catch you up. Do we have a race?
Huh?
Can I have a race?
No.
Walking and you driving? If you
No,
take
you'll-
off front.
You'll,
Hey!
Caden's being my chauffeur, ain't you, buddy?
Oh, hold on. I think it's not tight.
What?
It's
All right.
Okay,
All right, guys. We're coming up here on this little
I'm
thing.
driving.
We came through a while ago and you really couldn't see it, but it's darker out, and I think you can see it a lot better. So,
I don't think there was pink in there. It just had pink.
yeah, they had all kinds of colors in there.
I didn't see pure pink because they just had
These
pink.
lights, they need to turn off these lights that's on here.
I think oh, that's them for sure. Walking in a winter wonderland.
Yeah. But
They did not make it that far.
we made it all the way to the end. Now we're coming back through, and I wanted to get these lights for you. You can see them a lot better now, it looks like.
You also want to get me driving.
I
I'm not
did.
going over that
Don't
way.
worry.
Hey!
Ooh, cool.
It feels like we're driving a car, actually. Am I a professional driver?
So,
I definitely am. With motor, my hands are hurting, but I'm not going to quit. We're faster than you are. We're Sonic speed. We're driving a car. I'm driving one.
okay, go.
Bye-bye.
Turn it down, turn it down, turn it down, turn it down. Ooh, look at this.
Okay.
This is so cool. So nice. So bright now, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. We gotta go because we're meeting someone. What time is it?
I don't know, but we'll be fine.
Hey, if we can't get up or not, we'll be fine.
Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty.
Yeah.
So pretty. So
I'm gonna go.
whoa. There's people on this road, so we can't go crazy.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, look at here. That's pretty. Okay. We got some
What
frogs.
a mile is it out? Yeah. There's some more people there.
Yeah. Whoa. Stay straight. Stay straight.
My hands are numb. Really numb.
Hey guys, I hope you are liking this. And I'm out here in the cold, freezing my tail off.
Pick it up.
So, won't you do me a favor and subscribe to us? And give us a thumbs up. And share us. Ain't this beautiful? Don't wreck your sound.
Okay, I won't. I'm good at doing this. Can't get it up all the way. Oh, no, that's cold.
I wish I had a coat on like yours.
This is not warm.
Whoa! Get back on here.
I'm trying to. It's like, yum. I went over this way.
Whee. Sam, stay on the road.
I'm trying to. Can't wait to slow down these people here.
It's a lot better now. It got darker. Look, there goes a bunch of geese. Don't take you off the road.
I can't help
Whoa.
it. It's I know how to drive.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Look how pretty. Oh yeah, there comes some real pretty stuff.
Where's the tail switch?
Huh?
Where's the tail?
There's the wheel on it. I wonder if I can hit.
See what the time is?
Whoa!
Ooh. Okay,
We're okay. We're okay there. Watch, here's a wall. Don't hit the wall.
I'm proud to.
Oh, look at this, guys.
Fingers about to run out.
Getting busier now since it's nighttime.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, look at this.
I bet it's cold.
We're almost back.
We got the gully, so we can't stop.
Huh?
We got the hurry.
No, we ain't gonna stop. We're gonna keep going.
We're gonna keep going no matter what.
Yeah, we're gonna keep going. Don't wreck me though.
I'm not.
Oh, wow. Sam, quit.
What? Oh no, there's a big bump.
Big bump. Oh.
Slow down.
There's people up here. Slow down.
This is how people walk.
Slow down. Slow, slow, slow. Because we're almost at the end now. Look up here. It's all kinds of... Wow. So all the way down to the bottom. Slow as can be.
Hey, is this? Like this. Like this. Like this. This is a turtle walking. So fast. That's when he was walking.
Let's go around. Go to the left.
I died.
Wow. Look
I want
at
to
this.
catch up. I'm going to get to like halfway to
This is pretty. Ain't it?
yeah. Not, at night is pretty, but
That's real pretty now.
I got so cold. I want to stop for me.
Keep going. Keep going.
There's more back there.
Yeah, they're back there. Hey, bud. Only way to go.
Don't
Go to the right.
I'm going. I don't care. Sorry.
We're at the end. Whoa. Whoa. Slow down now. I don't run over you people. Okay, we're at the end of it, guys. We're gonna get to the car and get warmed
I
up.
can't stop.
As always, have a big birthday.